In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on a Nintendo Switch. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is pretty simple, and it's going to work on both a Switch 1 and Switch 2. But from the home screen, go ahead and look up in the top left corner and you're going to see your profiles up here. Go ahead and select the user that you want to add the friends from. In my case, it's this one right here, so I'm going to select it. And it's then going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you are going to see a little add friend option on this left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and choose that. And once you open it, you'll see a bunch of different options on here. You're going to see something like search with friend codes, search for users that you played with, search for local users, view sent friend requests, and view received friend requests. Most of the times, you're just going to use search with this friend code right here. And as you can see, if you kind of look, down towards the very bottom of this menu, you're going to see my friend code, which of course you can send me an invite if you would like. But essentially, go ahead and open this up and enter in the 12-digit friend code of the person that you want to go ahead and add. If they don't know their code, they can find it on their own profile page. And after entering the code, press OK. If the correct profile appears, hit send friend request and you'll see a confirmation message saying the request has been sent. Now the other person just needs to come to this exact same section and go ahead and go to the incoming friend request section, open up, and they'll have it in here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.